What if I told you you can become fluent in English without any partner? Here's how. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Kavya. I hope friends you all are doing well and I'm also fine and fantastic. So friend, you want to speak fluent English but the problem is you don't have anyone to speak with. But I think this is not the problem. Here I'll tell you how you can become fluent in English without any partner or without investing any rupees or without any teacher. Okay, so watch this video till the end. So, friend, you know what? We are living in 2026 and AI is everywhere. So, use AI as a speaking partner. So download ChatGPT, use ChatGPT or any other AI. But here I will recommend you two AI apps, ChatGPT or Google Gemini, because I have used these both applications. So that's why I will also recommend you to use these applications as a speaking partner. And I don't know other AI apps, so that's why I will suggest you these both. So just download and start speaking, connect audio call and just say to ChatGPT that I don't have partner, I want to improve my English and my level is beginner or whatever your is your level, so I will practice with you. So ChatGPT will respond and you can do practice, you can do conversation practice, you can do role play practice, you can take any topic and speak with ChatGPT. And most important thing about ChatGPT that it will never judge you or you ChatGPT AI doesn't get tired because here you can use for unlimited. I mean there is no time limit. You can use morning, afternoon, evening, night, midnight, whatever. In whenever you get time, just use. And I have used so many applications, speaking application, where in speaking application you will not get enough time. I mean if you get subscription then obviously you will get limited time, but if you will not get subscription, if you are free user, then they will provide only 20 minutes and 30 minutes only. So the best thing is about AI, you can use unlimited. I mean 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever it is. Okay, so start using AI and improve your English. And second, what you can do is before sleeping, I mean after you watching reels shorts, just keep your phone side and before sleeping, remember your day. How was your day and what did you do and what will you do tomorrow? So just ask yourself and give answer. Okay, so in this way you can improve your English and you will no need any partner. And you can do mirror practice, you can do shadowing, and you can record your voice. I have shared these all in my previous video, right? So you can do lot of things, you can just speak yourself and improve. There are lot of methods. Okay, so just use and go with the flow. I will tell you my story. When I started speaking, I immersed myself, and you will not believe that I used to do practice with wall, mirror, trees, children. Right? Yeah, they don't respond, but still I used to practice in front of wall. I mean, uh, I wanted to improve my English as soon as possible. I I gave my lot of time. In a day I used to practice for 4 hours, 5 hours, even 6 hours. So I gave my lot of time. So how I was practicing, I just stood in front of wall and in front of trees, and I pretended like tree or wall is my was my speaking partner. Okay, and I ask a question. I used to ask a question and give answer by myself. So that's how I improved my English. So in this way you can also improve your English. So in this way I have improved my English. So I wanted to share with you, and I highly recommend you to use AI, ChatGPT or Google Gemini. You will definitely see the result. So see you in the next video. If this video helped you, so please like, share and subscribe.